How can the ADX indicator help you find strong trends in the market? How to correctly interpret the ADX indicator to avoid mistakes in making deals. The best secret tips to using the ADX indicator only on this channel. Hello everyone, my name is Victoria. I'm a professional trader with over 5 years of experience in the financial markets. On this channel, we make trading understandable and accessible to everyone, even absolute beginners. Today I'm going to tell you about the ADX indicator, which will make your trading much easier by helping you make important decisions. Stay tuned if you want to know how to make money on binary options. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you don't miss new videos. Watch closely, listen sharply, and let's get down to business. The ADX, Average Directional Index Indicator, is a technical analysis tool that helps determine the strength of a current trend. It does not indicate the direction of price movement, but it does show how strong the trend is, regardless of its direction. What does the ADX indicator look like? The indicator consists of 3 lines. The ADX line, it reflects the strength of the trend. In our case, this is a red line. The plus DI and the minus DI line, in our case, these are green and yellow lines respectively. These lines indicate the direction, upward or downward movement. What does the indicator's operating principle tell us? ADX value below 20 indicates a weak trend or a flat. Value above 40 indicates a strong trend. What makes the ADX an important tool for binary options? Binary options trading requires precision in choosing the moments of entry into the market. The ADX indicator helps us avoid deals during flat periods where the risk of errors is high. By now you already know that flat is a sideways movement of the chart. Identify moments when a trend has already formed and increase the accuracy of deals by trading on strong trends. How to set up and use the ADX. Here are the basic settings of the indicator. Open your trading platform. Then select ADX from the list of indicators. Then use the standard period of 14 to start. Then set the colors of the ADX, DI plus, DI minus lines to your liking. And now let's look at an example of a strategy with the ADX indicator. So let's go step by step. Step 1, wait until ADX rises above 25. Step 2, check if the plus DI line is above the minus DI line. This means we see an uptrend. If the minus DI line is above the plus DI line, this means we have a downtrend. Now open a deal in the direction of the trend. This strategy works especially well on currency pairs and stock with high volatility. ADX allows you to minimize risks and deal only in conditions of a strong trend. If you want to learn even more about ready-made strategies, subscribe to my Telegram channel. There you will find useful info, strategies and daily useful deals, trading which you can start earning yourself. The link to the channel is in the description below. Join not to miss it. Now let's get to the practice. I already have the ADX indicator ready. Remember that we set the standard of 14 periods to start with. And now we select colors to our liking. For the DI plus, I choose the green line. For the DI minus, I choose yellow. And for the ADX color, red. Now let's move on to choosing signals. And for this, we need to choose currency pairs. I'm choosing currency pairs with a payout of 80% and higher. As for the deal amount, I set, let's say, $150. Now, so we begin with the first currency pair, the Australian dollar, US dollar. What do we have here? We see the ADX line above 25 and the green line DI plus above the DI minus line. This tells us that we have an uptrend. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, so here we have a trend reversal. The deal has gone negative, but in fact it's totally fine. It is simply a signal to us that it is better to set up additional indicators to be safe next time. As you may remember, we often use the RSI indicator. Let's choose it yet again. So we are seeing a trend reversal right at this moment. Let's choose the next currency pair. So the US dollar, Philippine peso. Well, here we see a flat movement, so we skip this currency pair. Why don't we close this completely? So the next currency pair is Euro Turkish Lira. We can see that the ADX line is above 25 and the DI plus line is above the DI minus line. And the RSI confirms that a trend reversal is going to happen now. Well, we have a positive deal, you guys, as I've predicted. So we have successfully covered losses on our first deal. Moving on, let's have a look at our next currency pair. This is EUR JPY. Great, the deal is positive. Let's continue. Here we have a sideways movement, a flat to be exact, which is not right for us. Here we see the ADX line going down, almost approaching 25. Most likely it will go even lower. We are seeing a deal that has a potential to sell, but at the same time, the RSI is showing a very strange movement, so I will skip this to be safe. Great, we open a sell deal on the Euro Swiss franc currency pair. We have a twofold situation on our hands actually. On the one hand, we see that the DI plus line is above the DI minus line, but on the other hand, RSI shows us that the trend will reverse. So again, to stay on the safe side, we open a sell deal. Excellent. That was amazing, you guys. You have just witnessed right now how at the very last second the trend reversed in our favor. Not bad, you guys. $276. Okay, let's move on and choose the next currency pair. I suppose a 2-minute deal is enough to successfully close the deal with the Euro British Pound currency pair. A buy deal with $300. Although the trend may reverse, it most likely will. Well, let's see. So here we have a flat. The deal is negative. Let's increase the deal amount to $600 and look at the next currency pair. Okay, the next currency pair is Euro US dollar, a sell deal for 2 minutes. A great deal, brings us profit, but let me tell you why this deal in particular was not actually done properly according to the strategy we were talking about today. First of all, we see the ADX below line 25. Second of all, line D plus is above and we opened a sell deal. In fact, to make a decision on such deals, ambiguous deals that go beyond the rules and are rather an exception, obviously you need to have experience in trading. Also, you need to understand psychology, know various aspects of chart behavior. Therefore, I do not recommend that you, if you are just beginning, make deals like that. But I do recommend that you subscribe to my Telegram channel in order to receive even more deals like that, even more different situations that are new to you, that expand your trading experience and help you be prepared for anything and everything. So today we have made 6 deals. In total we have earned 2,950. I think this is a great result. What do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. The ADX indicator is a powerful tool for market analysis. It helps you find strong trends and avoid deals in unfavorable conditions. But remember, like any other tool, it requires proper use. Always remember that any indicator is best used in combination with other analysis tools. This will allow you to minimize risk and increase the accuracy of deals. If you want to learn more about how to make money on binary options, subscribe to my Telegram channel and click the bell to stay up to date with new videos. Like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!